The contents,
Depende.
first contents is the biological differences,
Basin
no,
ka lang
hormones
sa
and
mga
chromosomes. Second is psychological and social influences on gender identity. Then last one is the psychoanalytic social learning and cognitive developmental theories. Okay, let's proceed to biological differences between male and female. Okay, so okay, chromosomes, the fundamental cause of gender.
Ma'am,
Okay.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Murag,
Unsa
I think,
man?
ma'am, nga humana na tani nga discussion, ma'am.
Yan.
Eh,
Okay.
may kaysa ano.
Okay, so nahuman gid nato ni tanan.
Ayun.
Hmm?
Nauman naman.
Nahuman gid ni tanan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Wow. Di ba gibungaw si ma'am? Okay. Okay, proceed lang ko sa summary. Okay, so hormones plays a huge role in gender differences, na biological aspects create a critical interplay with the gender roles pursued by an individual. Then, biological makeup may play a major part on an individual's gender identity. But however, psychosocial and societal factors still influence an individual's view of himself or herself. Then, gender rules are both cultural and personal. It may be derived from the environment directly affecting the individual, but however, the personal experiences of the person plays a crucial part in one's gender role discovery. Okay, insakto ba ko guys? Ha? The personal experiences daw, no, of the person plays a crucial part in its gender role discovery. So, tinuod kaayo ka na ba? Okay, sa ha? Okay, proceed sa the echo there is a chapter 3. Chapter 3. So, muna da itani. Chapter 2. 10 man ta karon ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay na. Ako sa i-share sa inyo. Okay, so makita na guys. Ha? Makita na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Okay. So, let's proceed na to gender and sexuality. Okay, dili na ko maklaro. Okay, so, okay, so proceed na ta sa chapter